ay papunta sa bangko. Thursday I will go to the bank. I will withdraw the money because the material is on the way na to deliver it. So I will pay it. So I will withdraw first the money. Then I will pay. Guys, update ko na lang po kayo kung nandun na ako. Thank you, Thursday. Thank you so much again. It's so fast with my dad. Thursday look. My brother, my niece, and my dad. It's so fast, Thursday, look. I really excited to finish. It's for, I have 2 mason and 3 labors. My dad, my brother. My dad is so fast. My father is so fast. So I will give a dessert tip. The material is here now. It's here na, Sir Steve. The material is here. Saan? I will pay it na. Saan mapapalagay yan? Material is here. I already deliver it right now. Yan na lang yun, guys. Ba't ang layo? Thank you so much again, Sir Steve. Look at my house, Sir Steve. Oh, it's so big. My house is so big. Look. This is my window. Bathroom, guys. Bathroom and my room. Room and bathroom. No. Look at my cement. Many cement. Kaya nga. Traffic, guys. Traffic. This is a resibo. It's 6,100. It's 6,1. No. 6,1. No. I will pay it na 6,100. I will pay it na, Sir Steve. Thank you so much again. This is a resibo, Sir Steve, for the cement and black sand. For the black sand. Oh, it's finished na. It's on finished na. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime, Sir Steve. Finish na siya. It's a lunchtime. Look, oh. Finish na agad. Ang bilis. Ang bilis niya, guys. Finish na agad to. So, before, pagtapos i-kwarto naman. Yan. Tapos na, seriously, it's so fast. I'm really excited. It's lunchtime. Lunchtime, bangus. Done na. Sina? Ay, Joshua! Ay, ito ay sunod na to, guys. Sunod na tong kwarto. Isang araw lang, mabilis ang tatay gumawa. Mabilis ang tatay gumawa. Oh, tingnan nyo. Itong sunod na yung kwarto. Kwarto na yung sunod kasi yung sala namin is tapos na. So, yung kwarto naman yung isusunod. Sunod na ang kwarto namin. Oh. Part 3, guys. Part 3. Seriously, thank you. Thank you so much. It's done. Finishing is done. It's already done. I think it's done today. Well, it's finished today. Thank you always. We love you. Another, ano na ulit. Balik na ulit. Balik na ulit sa trabaho. I'm done na. I'm done eating. I'm done eating. Look, it's done now. It's done. Tasty. Thank you. Next, it's kwarto. My kwarto is next. Look, it's done. Thank you. Next, it's kwarto, guys. The next, it's kwarto, guys. It's done area. It's look. Look, but tomorrow it's ito naman kwarto. Tomorrow morning it's a kwarto na. Oh my God, konti na lang guys. It's mapipinish na tong ating munting bahay. At my kitchen. My kitchen is done. And my CR. Look. Finishing, it's done. But my room, it's tomorrow. My room is, bukas na lang po siya. Ari na yung ating, yan. Tomorrow, bukas na lang din yung, yung sa CR. Natapos din na naman to. Yan, tapos na yan. Natapos na naman. Siguro sobrang liwanag dito. Natapos na po ngayon yan. So, it's part 3. So, bukas i-vlog ulit ako. It's part 5. Part 5 na to. Oh. Yan. Yan na guys. Thank you. Bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching. Guys, panibagong ayan, ay nakaligo na ako. At tayo ibasa na ulit kasi mayat-maya tayo napunta ng palengke at ako'y naligo na muna kasi baka tayo magkasama. So guys, it's finish na ang ating sala. Finish na yung ating sala. Okay na. Okay na yung ating sala. Sir Steve, look at my, wow, it's done. Finishing. It's done finishing, Sir Steve. Then tomorrow, my room. Next, my room. Because look, this is my kitchen area and CR. My CR, but done. And also done finishing. So, ang sunod siguro dito, it's pintura. Pipinturahan siguro to. Kasi tapos na to. So, ito ipapabago natin yan. It's color light yellow. My father is so fast to work. Very fast. Oh, look! It's done finishing. Then tomorrow, it's my room naman. Bukas yung ating... Bukas naman yung ating kwarto. Sunod naman yung ating kwarto. Yan, ayos na siya. Okay na. And thank you also to my father. To always have. Then, next, it's door. Door. Next door. Then paint. Last. So, yan, nakaligo na tayo at tayo ay nabasa ng ulan. Oh. Okay, there's still look, oh. It's done. Finishing, it's done. Mission na complete is done. Oh, look, mission again. One done. Then tomorrow, but I will change my color. It's color light yellow. It's color light yellow. I will change it. Finishing, it's done na, seriously. Thank you so much. So, it's part 4. Part 3 pala ng ating vlog. So, i-update ko na lang ulit siguro kayo sa bukas. Yung kwarto naman bukas. So, baka, sige, isa-isa na yun. Kasi saglit lang naman, ang bilis ng tatay gumawa. Kasi nagpatulong na din ako sa aking tatay na para mas dumali yung trabaho kasi nag-uulan na po dito sa amin. Kasi may bagyo tayo. May bagyo po tayo. It's typhoon. That finishing. It's done. I'm so excited. I think it's very nice place. Very, very nice place. Very nice. You know, I'm planning to, design like that. I'm planning to design to our house. So, yan guys. Dito ko na lang po muna tatapusin ang aking vlog. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanonood. And also, thank you so much to Sir Steve. Kundi naman dahil sa Sir Steve, wala naman siguro. Pero it's okay na din. Natutulungan tayo ng Sir. Tutulungan tayo ng Sir Steve. Thank you so much, Sir Steve, for always and for everything that you always share your blessing to me. And God bless you more. It's part 3 guys. Part 3 na tayo. Siguro mga part 10 to. Ang tagal na vlog pala, part 10. This is my cement. But it's raining. It's raining right now. Bigger for everyone because it's typhoon coming in. I'm safe na. I'm safe. So guys, ito ko na po tatapusin ang aking vlog. Thank you so much, Sir Steve, for the blessing that you gave to last night and in the morning also. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. Dito ko na tatapusin ang aking vlog. So thank you sa lahat ng mga nanonood at walang usang sumusuporta. Thank you always, Sir Steve. Thank you so much for I'm so proud of you because I'm so proud of you. Thank you always, Sir Steve. Take care always. And don't forget to take your medicines. Very important to your health. We love you always. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Ito na po tapusin ang aking vlog. Bye.